Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. It's from my friend Joe, who is somebody who has definitely sent things to the channel before, so thank you very much. If it is something I can link, I will make sure it is linked right down in the description for you guys to take a look at. It does help my channel when you use my links, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get in here. Whoops. I'm just gonna end up like injuring myself at a faster and faster pace as I continue to make content. Alrighty, what do we have? What do we got here? We got this. I don't recognize that. We have a note. Well, if you're wondering how I know that it's a note, that's why. MC, as an avid knife enthusiast and frequent wearer of wax pants, I am constantly struggling to find a knife I can carry that won't cause constant embarrassment as it drags my fashionable leg coverings down around my ankles. I tried to carry a bug out, as it is obviously the most sensible option for those of us that have trouble lifting our soy lattes up to our mouths, but it was just too heavy. The stars aligned and I was able to obtain this wonderful knife. Ah, yeah. Oh, I know what this is. At a mere 1.6 ounces, I finally have an option that will keep my trousers on my slight waist. The craftsmanship is impeccable and a supreme example of engineering excellence. I can finally take my Pomeranian for whimsical strolls through the local flower fields with confidence. This is beautifully written. Oh, man. Oh, awesome. Okay. This is a knife that I probably should have looked at a while ago. But I've been aware of it for a bit. I just never thought that I'd actually would get to check it out. This is the VC Edge interface. Oh my god, look at that. What? Oh my god. Is this like... Okay, how's this attached? Yeah. The blade is actually attached to a piece of carbon fiber. And the taper is so... Oh, it's seamless. See, I can't tell the transition. Oh, boy. This is absolutely throwing my senses. I feel like if I let this go, it would float away. Oh, the action is so good. Oh, my brain doesn't know what to do. Normally, I don't like things that feel so lightweight that they... Oh, this is so weird. This is so weird. I don't like things normally that are so lightweight that they feel fragile. Fragile. I don't like that. Golly, look at the milling on that. Oh, baby, that is... Why do I turn into... You guys pointed out, I'll turn into Goofy. Every time that I start to lose it, oh my god. This is so weird. I normally don't like things, I keep trying to say this, I normally don't like things that are so lightweight that they feel fragile. But because of the tuning on this, nothing feels like it's so lightweight that the knife can't function. Oh god, the action. Oh, man, what on earth? This is so... It seriously feels like it's going to float away. God, I bet that is just freaking razor sharp. Does this come to a 0 apex? Just barely. Just barely. Hold on. We got a bunch of close-ups incoming, okay? So get that 4K quality cranked up there. Right there. See the light reflecting off of that last little cutting bevel? man. This is so sharp, I feel like it's going to accidentally open a portal to another dimension, like in my office. Like it's going to cut the fabric of space-time just by being a blade and sitting here. That's what it feels like. Look at the pocket clip. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the pocket clip. Man, that is gorgeous. Woo, man, that is so cool. So this is a, see how they attach the frame lock there too? Wicked. So what do we have? Surely, so is the back spacer, there's no screw here. This is lipped, and then this one's lipped. And then this must, hold on, I have to look inside here. What on earth is going on? Come on, camera. I want it focused so you guys can see it too. Is it like pinch fitted? Right? Is there like a slot of carbon fiber and then there's pieces, the titanium like slips over it? Interesting. Now, obviously, we're going to get people going, well, the problem is that I can't hammer the cinder blocks in half in my backyard. See, what I do for work all day is I sit in my backyard and I pound my pocket knife through cinder blocks because, well, that's actually I'm unemployed. I'm sorry. Obviously, this is not a knife that's going to be meant for like heavy duty cutting, right? Pocket knives in general, right, save for the triad locks and the scorpion locks and all that stuff, are generally not going to be well suited for that. But for general cutting and just sort of maximizing cutting edge to weight ratio, I don't think I've ever seen a knife that does quite this. Let me take a look here. Blade length is actually longer than the Ritter Hogue. We're probably looking at 3.65 or so inches of blade, at least 3.6. And we are legitimately coming in at 1.55 ounces. Holy moly. VC Edge interface. This one in particular is quite a bit cooler than the ones that I have seen. I'm so impressed with the action. It doesn't seem like something that I would get any satisfaction out of, right? It just feels so crisp. It's ridiculous. It's amazing how they do this. And the carbon fiber looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, this is just, these little micro milling lines in the carbon fiber. See that? Oh, that titanium is just beautiful how they do that. Really, really cool stuff. What do we have here? VC Edge. Okay, it has the information. USA. So if you're wondering, country of origin, USA. I'm sure there's also people going, how do I get that? I'm going to guess this is the two biggies, right? The two big old slapperooskies in the face, right? It's like dipping a canoe paddle in mayonnaise and getting whacked in the face while you're blindfolded and asleep, right? Nobody likes this to impact their reality. It is most likely extremely expensive and very difficult to get your hands on. I know. Right? It's just we live in a society. The knife world is a teeter-totter, right? And that teeter-totter, no matter which end you're sitting on, you can have some things and not others. It's just, that's how it is, right? Okay, specs. VC Edge interface manufactured earlier in 2022. Scales are unidirectional carbon fiber. Blade steel is M390 and is 0.004 behind the, look at this. 0.004 behind the edge. Price is $850. That doesn't surprise me at all. Believe this is the last run. The cost went up to $1,100. Oh, great! The cost went up. Yeah, that's how it is, right? This is going to be a custom knife. It's just, never seen anything else like this before. So like that. If you go watch Jim Skelton's interface video from a few months ago, he does a great job going into the manufacturing process of these knives. I will do that. And you guys can too if you want to. Jim Skelton apparently has a video on this. So I'm not going to review this fresh out of the box. That would be silly and irresponsible. I'm going to spend some time learning. I will probably watch Jim Skelton's video myself, and then I will give you guys my thoughts on this guy here in just a few weeks. Very cool to finally have one of these to show off on the channel. That is just crazy. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Obviously, there's not, I mean, I'll link any info I can, but there's not going to be like a link where you can go and buy this for, you know, the price that you want to buy it for. So, but it is cool. I'm happy to have stuff like this on the channel to talk about. Okay. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.